Hey guys, if you're looking for something fun to do with the little ones today, I have a fun new craft kit, perfect for ages 4 and up. It's a DIY pinecone bird feeder. Comes with everything included in the bag. Pine cones, peanut butter, bird seed, spreader, and directions. Yeah, it's a fun little craft, doesn't take long, gets a little messy, but fun. And peanut butter, yum. The birds love these, they dig them. Just attach the string that's inside, hang it out on your porch or from a tree, and help the birds when it gets cold outside. Yeah, it's a fun little craft. Stop by and pick them up. Thanks, guys.